Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a timer for a bathroom fan. Because sometimes you may forget to turn it off and let it run for the whole night, and that will consume a lot of power. I couldn't find a timer that I like in local stores, and I see this on Amazon and I decided to buy it, and it was shipped to my home. There are 5 buttons here. The bottom buttons is to cancel the time you set in case you don't want it to run to the preset time. In order to get the work done, I need some tools like an electric tester, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, a wire stripper, some standard wire connectors, and a new wall plate cover. Let's get started. Safety first. For the safety, you have to go down to the electric box and navigate to the bathroom power switch. Switch off the power of the bathroom. Now I'm going to remove the wall plate cover to access inside the in-wall power box and check if the power is actually turned off before I can work on it. Now I can say that there is no power on either of the wire, and it is safe to work on it. But now I don't know which one is a hot line and which one is a load line, and I have to turn the switch on again and to confirm which one is the hot wire and which one is a load wire, so I can mark them out. It is more safe to work with at least 2 persons, maybe you and your wife or any adult daughter or son. Now I can confirm which one is the hot wire and which one is a load wire, and I can mark them down. Now I'm going down to the power box and switch off the power of the bathroom again. As now I know which one is a hot wire and which one is a load wire, I have to switch it off. Again, I want to double check there's no power on either of the wire, and now I see that there's no power on either of the wire. And of course it is safe to work right now, and I try to mark that one of the wire. The one I mark is the load wire. It goes toward the line or the fan, and the hot wire comes from the main power breaker that I have already turned off. And then after I remove the wire, I'm gonna straight up the wire so that I can connect to the wires of the timer that I'm going to install. As you can see that the existing switcher has only 2 wires, one in and one out, but the timer has 4 wires, one in and one out in black. And the white wire is the neutral wire, and the yellow and the green wire is the ground wire. So now I have to look inside the in-wall power box to see if I can find the ground and the neutral wires to connect to the timer. The timer doesn't work if you don't connect the neutral wire. You can ignore the ground wire, but I have to have the neutral wire, the hot wire, and the load wire. As when I look inside the in-wall power box, I see the yellow connector to connect some of the white wires. They are neutral wires, so I have to pull it out. And but I need to remove the light switch so I have more room to work around. As you can see that the timer has 2 black wires, one coming in and one going out, but this is the interchangeable wires. It is interchangeable wire, so you can either connect the hot wire in either of the black wire. It still works. Now I need some wire connectors to join all the wires together. As you can see that the 2 wires are different type. One is a single copper core, the other one is braided copper core. So I twist them a couple rounds, and I use the red connector to twist it in the direction of the clockwise until I feel it's hard to twist. Then I know the 2 wires are securely connected. In this situation, I don't need to connect the ground wire of the timer into the ground wire of the electrical system of the house, because the former electrician has connected the ground into the metal box. So when I screw the base of the timer into the box, it is obviously grounded. Now I use the yellow connector to join the 2 load wires together and continue to twist it until I feel hard to twist it, and then I stop and I know that the 2 wires are securely connected. Now take a look at the wires I have connected so far. The red one comes from the main power breaker. The yellow one goes toward the fan. The red one and the yellow one, they are both securely connected. Now I'm going to remove the green sleeve from the neutral wire and put it on the ground wire. As I said previously, the former electrician has connected the ground wire into the metal box. So when I screw in the base of the timer into the box, it will be grounded. So it's up to your house electrical system. You might have to connect the raw wire of the timer to the ground wire of your house electrical system. Now I have to remove the light switch to have more room to work around with these wires. And now I'm able to pull out the neutral wires connected in the yellow connector and untwist that yellow connector and join neutral wire of the timer into the neutral wires of the system. In this section of the video, you may be seeing that I twist the connector in the counterclockwise direction as I record this video from the mirror in my bathroom. And as you know that in the bathroom we don't have much room to set up a camera. But that is not really a matter because if you are a left-handed person, you can do everything with your left hand, and as long as you twist it tight, and that's good. I want to pause a little bit at this step to make sure that all the wires are securely connected, and I can see that the neutral wires are securely connected, the load wires are securely connected, the hot wires are securely connected. They're all good. Now I'm going to push all the wires inside the electrical box and start to screw in the light switch and the timer. After that, I'm going to put the new plate cover on it because my old one was broken, as you can see previously. But remember that you shouldn't tighten the screws too hard because you need some adjustment to put the plate on. After, you can feed the plate on and then you can securely tighten it. Currently there are some models of plate cover without screws, just snap it in, but I still prefer the screw one. After I secure the plate on, I gotta switch the power on again and go upstairs to check if the timer works properly. Now I'm going to turn on the light, hit 10 minutes, and if I don't want it to run for 10 minutes, I hit the bottom one to cancel it. 20 minutes, cancel it. 30 minutes, cancel it. And 60 minutes. If I don't want it to run for 60 minutes, I can cancel it. Do you know that if you press the 60-minute button for more than 5 seconds, the timer will run for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it will automatically turn off. As you can see that I can switch from 10 minutes to 20 minutes to 30 minutes and 60 minutes. It's easy to use. As you can see that I can switch between these buttons. And that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.